Komiti mar od bura marango weche mag chike opuodho Abdi Mohamud ne leo mar jataa tije duol makedo gi mbadhi e pacho ka EACC. Ka jod bura opuodhe, Mohamud dhi kawo thuolo mar Twali Mbarak matieko thuolo mare mar higni 6 e dwe mar achiel higa manyien. Komiti no odayo dho Abdi kama okoni lek mare neno ni EACC omakore motegno gi apis jomin bura mondo mi gine ni lwenj mibadhi ochopo kare.
That the war on corruption has also been weaponized in the past, such that agencies, investigative agencies, have been used to fix political opponents. Could you have been given this job because certain quarters think you can do political bidding on their behalf?
You've been in the commission now close to 19 years. If the commission has succeeded, then you've succeeded. If it has failed, then you failed. What is it you think you will do different that has not been done in the last 19 years?
There's something I want to do. I want to serve my country. I want to see what I can do to reduce the level of corruption in our country. If all of us throw in the towel and say, well, this job is not doable, who will do it?